Right, for this tutorial I'm just looking over multiplying out brackets and simplifying them. So I'm just going to straight into past paper questions. This one here, multiply out the brackets and collect like terms, 2 marks here from the 2014 National 5 paper. So I'm just going to write this out on my own piece of paper. It's 2x minus 5 multiplied by 3x plus 1. So when you're multiplying out brackets, you're multiplying 2x by each thing in the other bracket first. So we're going to do 2x multiplied by 3x. So 2 times 3 is 6, and x times the x is x squared. So we start with 6x squared. 2x multiplied by the plus 1, we've got plus 2x. So we've multiplied 2x by each of the things in the other bracket. I'm now going to take the minus 5 here, multiply that by each thing in that bracket there. So start with the minus 5 multiplied by the 3x. We've got minus 15x, and the minus 5 multiplied by the 1 minus 5. Then you just got to simplify. You've got to collect any terms that are alike. So 6x squared, if you're looking for other terms that are like this, we're looking for other x squared terms. In this example, there aren't any, so we've got 6x squared. Looking for x terms, we've got plus 2x and minus 15x, so we're going to put them together. So 2x minus 15x is minus 13x, and then the minus 5, we've not got any other constant terms, any other numbers, so minus 5. And that's you for the first one. All right, let's look at another past paper question. I'm going to look here at 2015 National 5 past paper, paper 1, question 4. So multiply out the brackets and collect like terms. So again, I'm going to write it out on my own piece of paper. So we've got x minus 4, x squared plus x minus 2. So you'll see that this one, there are more terms in the second bracket. So it's exactly the same process. So I'll just hide that one at the top. It's exactly the same process. We're going to take the first term here, we're going to multiply it by each term in the other bracket. So you can use that x, multiply it by x squared. Let's write down that answer. So that is x cubed. Then x multiplied by plus x. We've got plus x squared. And then x multiplied by that minus 2. And just be really careful with the symbols. It's x multiplied by that negative 2 there. So you have to write down minus 2x. Okay, you've multiplied everything with the x's, so now we're going to do it with that minus 4. So again, everything has to be multiplied by the minus the negative 4. So I'm just going to put all 3 curves first. Then I'm going to write down all solutions. So negative 4 times x squared, we've got minus 4x squared. Then multiplied by the x, we end up with minus 4x. And then the minus 4 here and the minus 2 there, we're going to end up with plus 8. Oops, just plus 8 by itself, not x. Plus 8. Once you've done that, you have to find terms that are similar to collect the like terms. So collect all the like terms. X cubed. So do we have anything else that's got an x cubed in it? We don't, so we're just going to write down x cubed. That's our first one. Now I like to circle or just make it really clear which ones I'm looking for. We've got a plus x squared, and we look for any other x squared terms, minus 4x squared, and that's everything. And by circling this or making it really clear, you can see that you have to do that minus. So we've got x squared minus 4x squared. So that is minus 3x squared. Then I'm going to circle in red this time. We've got a minus 2x and a minus 4x. So that's going to be minus 6x. And there's no other constant terms, so it's just the plus 8 by itself at the end. That's it. I'm going to do one more example. This one here is from the 2013 specimen paper. Multiply out the brackets and collect like terms. So you might want to try this one yourself. You can pause the video, try it, and then check back. Or you can watch one more time and then go on to either national5math.co.uk or another website that you could practice these. So I'm going to do this one a little bit quicker. I'm going to do the 2x times x squared. So I've got 2x cubed. 2x times the minus 4x, so we've got minus 8x squared. 2x times the 1 plus plus 2x. Then moving on to the 3. 3 times x squared plus 3x squared. 3 times the minus 4x minus 12x. And the 3 times the 1 plus 3. So you might want to go slower, just make sure you're getting these right. These are really questions that you do want to be getting all marks for in the exam. So we've got no other x cubed terms, so 2x cubed I can write. Now I'm wanting to collect the x squared terms. So here I've got a minus 8x squared, and I've also got a plus 3x squared. So that's going to become minus 5x squared. Then what else have I got? I've got a plus 2x and a minus 12x. So we're going to have minus 10x and the plus 3 at the end. And that's your solution. Are you ready to try some of the past paper questions on multiplying out brackets and collecting like terms?